ke pethe yanong Leonard and Ntwana I will share leading hey no good next session Squara Camp Bolebo Matos I'm like from a voice over to this man you know I don't know if he was throwing me in the deep end because he thought the session wasn't gonna last that long. I was there for an extra 16 hours with these people after he had been recording them for at least another like 10 hours before that.
And
that session went long. So the last Lebo Mathosa album was recorded at Jazzworks.
Okay.
And that was probably the longest session I've ever done.
They were okay at the time.